Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to change a Jeep Wrangler hood latch. Start by propping the hood securely and disconnecting the negative battery terminal for safety. Remove the grille trim and unbolt the latch assembly with a 10 mm socket, keeping track of hardware. Detach the release cable, compare the old and new latches, and prepare for installation by cleaning the mounting area and checking cable condition. Begin removal by supporting the hood and removing nearby trim pieces carefully to avoid breaking clips. Use a 10 mm socket to remove latch bolts and keep them in a small container to avoid loss. Free the release cable by loosening the retaining clip, then slide the cable out of the latch housing. Inspect the cable sheath and latch mounting for rust or wear before moving on to the replacement. Position the new latch in place and start bolts by hand to ensure correct thread alignment, then tighten with a 10 mm socket until snug. Reattach the release cable and confirm it moves freely without binding, and reconnect any electrical connectors if present. Close the hood slowly to check engagement, make micro adjustments to latch position for proper seal, and perform several open-close cycles to verify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.